Well, and good afternoon. I come today one more project that I finished for one of my tools in the shop. The project is to improve a drum sander that I built several months ago, like 2 years ago. And I think I had a video of that. Now I had to modify this one to incorporate a conveyor belt and to speed up the process and not even have to push the wood underneath the drum to get it to work. So, and that was I had to be in front of it and pushing the wood and readjusting and pushing the wood. So I tried to make this the system crazy. I can line up several pieces of wood and walk away and collect on the other side, and then I run them all again. So I'm gonna start showing you the how I did that. I'll show you here. I'm gonna move the camera and I'll show you here. This is the drum sander that I transformed. Okay, let's go to a better view. Okay, let's start with the controls. This controller here, it turns the conveyor belt on, and this knob controls the speed of that conveyor belt. These here, the switch turns on the drum sander, the 1.5 horsepower motor that turns the drum. And these here controls the up and down to adjust the ups and downs via another motor down here and a timing belt. So it's all self-explanatory. You know, you go up and you go down, and these control the speed of that motor. Okay, that's enough for the thing. Now let me show you. If you can see down there, you can see the motor and the mechanism that controls the height of it. I'm going to move it so you can see how it goes up and down. This is the mechanism of the adjusted thickness. Okay, this here. These are here, like I said before. This control over here controls the conveyor belt. Let me put something on it to show you how it works. See, I can speed it up or slow it down. As simple as that. These control the motor, and the motor that turns the conveyor belt. The dust guard has a 4-inch port on top of it, so I can hook up my big vacuum or dust control machine with a 5 horsepower motor that's on the outside of the shop, and I can do totally dust-free sanding. You wouldn't believe in the things I had to go through before I had the big dust control. This is a view through the side. You can see the long box is the cover for the belt. The belt is located in the back underneath the plantum, and you'll see a shelf underneath the whole machine where I put other hand tools, you know, a drill motor and things like that. And the whole assembly is on wheels, so I can wheel it around this shop. I'm gonna run a piece of wood in there for you to appreciate the way the thing is working. And that's my new machine. There, I can tell you, if you want to, you can write me and or put a request on the comments, and I can tell you where I sourced all the little motors and the chains and whatnot. And this even switches over here to the adjust the speed of those motors. And it's all 110 motors, so there is no conversion and transformers and rectifiers and all that. Just a little box that'll do the whole thing. So I'll see you the next time, and I'll keep on chucking with the machines that I'm inventing. Okay, I didn't invent it though. I just make my own. I couldn't afford to pay $15,000 or $2,000 for the drum sander, so I did the best I could on my own. I had to spend some money, but not the outrageous amount of money they wanted for a factory-made one. All right, guys. See you later. Bye bye.